eco this up here. One. 3, take out the elevator at the storage hardware here in Yorkdale Mall. Fixtures. 4. This is the elevator. Get to sit down since this is 5,000 pounds capacity. And these are eco disc. Let me sit down. Do my car view quickly. Who'd you see? Hey. These doors need to sit time out for a sec. This is nice. It's nice to see a chair in the elevator. It's a nice elevator. They're all glass panels. There's a view, but you cannot go outside today. Still in the winter season. That nice KONE elevator. Fixtures. This is the elevator, another elevator at the storage hardware here in Yorkdale Mall. One. This is elevator B at the storage hardware, Yorkdale Mall. Fixtures. Yup, they got called. Going up?
Yes, please. 2.
Sure. That's where I just got on.
Oh.
This is nice. Big. You get to sit in a chair.
Yeah, exactly. Like it's like, oh, this is gorgeous.
I'm sitting. But be careful with the walls, that's all. Make sure it doesn't fall off.
Yeah.
This is why there's a chair for me. I like to sit down sometimes. Instead of saying this is why there's a big elevator here. Now I have to stand. One again. Cab you quickly. Number just change. I'm gonna stand this time. Capacity, another 5,000 pounds capacity. Look. This is nice elevator. Like me at the mall, of course, it's my thing. Let me sit in the middle. We got KONE elevator eco disc. Make sure nobody calls down there. I feel it's moving. Eco disc. When the doors open, all the way, I'm finished.